Dear students, in this dreadful pandemic season, some way or the other, we all are victims of it. Some of you are hopeless and disheartened because of the attack of corona. Today I am here to support you and help you in this painful situation. Before I start my talk, let me ask you one simple question which you have to ask yourself. Do you have a goal? If then, what's your goal? What are you doing to achieve that goal? Ask these questions to yourself. And if the answer is no, here I am to help you to set a goal. If you do not have an aim, any goal, any ambition in your life, you will crawl like a tortoise. All the mishappening will give you negative energy and lose your confidence. If you have an aim, you will run like a rabbit. So my dear students, don't live like a dead person. You have so much energy. Get up, awake and do something good. Lieutenant Commander Voltiga Joshi, who was from a remote village of Srinagar, Gadwal, who led the first all-women Indian crew to successfully circumnavigate the globe, shared that the team on board the 55-foot sailing vessel had its moments of joy and frustration. But we learned to remain focused on our goal. Yes, we learned to remain focused on our goal. The all-women crew sailed across the globe on Indian naval sailing vessel Tarini in 8 months. They travelled 21,600 nautical miles. 254 days of long voyage. The crew faced lots of challenges like extreme cold, stormy weather, waves, sometimes up to 6 feet high. But they never gave up. Nothing could make them to turn away from their ambition, from their goal. My dear students, first of all, set a goal which you would like to reach. It must be your passionate area. Find out your passion, your interest, your enthusiasm. Find out the ways and means to achieve it. No matter whom you are, your passion, your hard work, your determination, these factors are important. In this corona season, without cursing it, challenge it. Instead of wasting time on games and cartoons, chatting and movies, find out your career. Start working on it. If you are very small to think about career, do some creative work. In the season, many of the students used their creativity and talents and published it in YouTube. Many have come out with their hidden talents and made a platform for earning money. Ask yourself, what I did, what I earned. Digital world has tremendous opportunities to grow intellectually and knowledgeably, creatively and academically. Everything is kept in front of you, good and bad. Choice is yours. Decide whether you have to choose death or life. My dear students, come on, choose life. When you come back to school, let me hear the wonderful things you made or did in this corona season. So let's start a new day with a new hope, new energy. God bless you all. Thank you.